So you must have eaten this vegetable very commonly in Indian cuisines. But what if I say this vegetable or pointed gourd can be made with just 3 to 4 ingredients in a span of 15 to 20 minutes? Yes, you heard me right. And this is a very lifesaver recipe. Goes best with some hot rotis or Indian flatbread. And I've served them with some tomatoes. The flavors will create magic with your taste buds. Do try them. And as I said, it's a very quick go recipe, so it can be made in tiffin box, lunch box, or for breakfast recipes. Can be also substitute for dinner recipes. Do try that. You will be in love with this recipe. Hey guys, I'm Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your life. If you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos. So let's begin with this recipe. So this is the Patal, Parwal or the pointed gourd, a very common seasonal vegetable during summers, loaded and packed with vitamins, minerals, and has immense health benefits. So this I have taken around half a kg. I'll just scrape it and I'll just cut both the ends, and as you can see, as it is seasonal vegetable and during summer it has a very peculiar flavor, I have cut it into half and then I'll be again cutting it into two more halves. Basically small size I'll be cutting because we need to nicely stir them with some potatoes and onions. So here I have just showed how to scrape it and cut it. So small pieces will do very good for this recipe. So here I have taken, I had all pre-washed this pointed gourds or patal. Make sure you pre-wash it and then cut it. Here I have taken half kg or 500 grams of patal or parwal or pointed gourd, and to this I'll be taking I'll be adding around 2 large size potatoes. I have peeled them, then washed them, and here I'll cut into small cubes that will match the size of this vegetable. So here goes the potatoes, and to this we need just few ingredients. That's a sliced onion. So this is ready. Here I have taken sliced onions, around 4 to 5 large size onions thinly sliced, and 4 to 5 green chilies that are slitted, and 2 inch ginger I have taken, I have grated it. This is it, basic ingredients, and we are good to go. So let's begin. So in a pan I will be using 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Mustard oil gives a very nice flavor for this recipe. If you want, you can use the regular refined oil, but mustard oil gives a very nice flavor. So in medium high flame I will be sauteing this patal or parwal and this potatoes for around 3 to 4 minutes, so that this gives a nice color or nice texture to this vegetable. It will just shrink a little bit. It will take hardly 4 to 5 minutes because we don't want this vegetable to be cooked at this stage. Just it will get some nice color. Again, it depends upon the size of your pan. So for me it took around 5 to 6 minutes for half a kg of patal. So now I'll remove them from flame, and make sure you don't do this process in extremely high heat. The flame should be medium high, and in the same pan I'll be adding more 4 tablespoons of mustard oil, and all the sliced onions goes into this pan. Salt I'll be adding here as per taste. That was around 1 to 1.5 teaspoon. Again, it completely depends upon your taste buds. Give it a mix, and now I'll reduce the flame and let it simmer in medium flame for around 6 to 7 minutes till this onion soften. That's the requirement for this recipe. The onion should be softened, not that it should have a very nice caramelized color. It should be just softened, and then I'll be adding the sauteed vegetables, potatoes and the pointed gourd. Give it a mix. Salt we have already added. In low flame I'll cover it and leave it for more 6 to 7 minutes till the vegetables will have all the flavors of these onions, and then I'll remove the cover. I'll add the grated ginger, slitted green chilies, and again give it a mix. You can see the semi cooked onions have started to cook. It has released all its flavors to these vegetables, and gradually the vegetable is also being cooked and has shrunken in size. So we don't need to add any water in this recipe. Again, I'll just mix it, cover it in low flame and leave it for more 6 to 7 minutes. It has been now 15 minutes approximately, and now I'll just give it a mix after I had removed the cover. A very nice smell is coming out from this dish because it has been slowly roasted. Slow roasting has done all the magic. So now it's time to add the finishing touch, that's black pepper powder 1 teaspoon. I had checked the vegetables, they had perfectly done. Beautiful roasted color, the vegetables are shrunken. Give it a mix. You can adjust salt accordingly as I said earlier. And now it's time to serve this lovely dish. I just call it ginger pepper fry patal. I mean this dish is so easy. It has a very peculiar taste and it goes best with some rotis. I normally make this flavoring in ginger chicken. So I once thought to replace chicken with some veggies and this was the result. And as I said, this goes best with some rotis. So here are some hot and fluffy rotis. And in my plate I have some salad, just basic tomatoes with some lemon and black salt. And here goes my bite of happiness. Believe me, you will be in love with this recipe. All the flavors will just mingle around your taste buds. I hope you have loved this 15-20 minutes easy peasy recipe. Do give it a try. If you have loved my video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. You can also follow Sue's Food Corner English on Instagram and Facebook. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.